Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the T-fal signature non-stick cookware set. This 12-piece set is not only oven safe up to 350 F, but it's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The set includes a 7.75-inch fry pan, 11-inch fry pan, 10.25-inch griddle, 1-quart saucepan with lid, 1-quart saucepan with lid, 5.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, solid spoon, slotted spoon, and a slotted spatula. With its easy release and easy cleanup feature, you'll have no problem cooking up your favorite meals. The Thermo-Spot technology takes the guesswork out of cooking with its unique heat indicator that turns solid red when the pans are properly preheated. The versatile design is not only dishwasher and oven safe, but it's also compatible with all cooktops except induction. The riveted handles offer a comfortable grip, while the vented glass lid maintains visibility while trapping heat and moisture. With its superior heat distribution, you'll achieve perfectly cooked meals that are evenly seared, browned, or simmered to perfection every time. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So, if you're in need of a high-quality cookware set that's easy to clean and use, be sure to check out the T-fal signature non-stick cookware set. You won't be disappointed. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips. Thanks for watching.